What's up everybody, it's Peter, welcome to our channel. And today we got another artsy video. That was really cool. Here I am with my E-Revo 16 scale. It's a 4-wheel drive car, brushless. that was awesome. But I'm running pretty much on a pure ice. Yeah, the surface is really hard. I mean, it's ice. You can see the 4 wheels doesn't have any traction almost. And of course, brushless. It's quite powerful. Yeah. It's a lot of fun. This car I got for a long time. It's got so much mileage. I was gonna miss it. But like I said, especially in the winter time, I do like rear-wheel drive as well. 4-wheel drive is much better, especially on a fresh snow. There you go. Yeah, like I said, it's a lot of fun, especially with this 3D printed modular ram. I really love it. It's suitable to 16 scale, even probably for 10 scale it will be suitable. For little scale it's suitable as well. Well, like I said, it's so much fun. I hope you guys did enjoy this video as much as I do. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate it. Thank you.